I've seen lots of roles for data analysts to come in and build a dashboard for self-service analytics for the business. So the idea is that you come in as an analyst, you build these dashboards, and the business can then serve themselves. They don't need to keep coming to you, and you can start they can start analyzing the data themselves. And a lot of these dashboards are actually a combination of dashboards and query tools. So the business will say, look, I want that, but I want all these filters and all these selects that I can do so that I can proxy sort of run analysis myself. Now, I spoke to a couple of analysts who are in these types of role, and one of the things they said to me was that when they've built all the dashboard, would they be out of a job? Because now the business can just run the analysis themselves. And so what would they do? Would the business find out that they've got nothing to do, and therefore they would no longer have a job? So I say to them, look, if this is true, if self-serving analytics, and now with these AI tools, it's probably more realistic for these self-serving tools for the business user to query their own data. You will find that you will have fewer dashboards to build, probably fewer analysis to run, because the business is able to do it themselves. So what you've got to do is become a partner for those self-serve business users. Okay, so what you've got to say to them, the business users, look, here's your dashboard, and I'm here to support you if you don't understand anything, or if you need anything changed, or if you need certain queries run that you can't run in the dashboard. Now, what that means is that the person who's using the dashboard, knowing that you're there, they will have that sort of insurance policy that if they can't do something, that you're there. So if the business was to get rid of you, they will say, no, I need him there or her there. Even if they may not use you often, they just know that you're there because they know that everything they want to run will never be possible within the dashboard, and they're always going to have questions about the data, and also sometimes there'll be data quality issues that they're always going to have questions about, or a piece of analysis they don't understand. And so having you there as a partner, as someone who can support them when they get into those difficulties, means that it's very unlikely that they want to get rid of you. The next thing you want to do is become very proactive in promoting data literacy within the organizations. Now, sometimes it's easy to assume that because you know how to use dashboards, everybody knows how to use dashboards. So you should probably create some kind of training program, and part of that should be data literacy, help people understand how to use the dashboard, how to interpret the numbers, and also what the numbers mean. Okay, so you go around the business doing that, and you become seen as more of an advisory role rather than a building role. And then I try to reassure them, because I've been in this space for now 25 years, is that once you do all the simple stuff like the dashboards and people being able to run their queries, what happens then is that when people are able to do the simple stuff, they start asking more complex things. And sometimes, a lot of the time, those complex things can't be done in dashboard. There are things like build me a model, or run this query, or run this analysis, that's quite complex, and that's where you come in. And that's where you build up your skills, and you become much better analyst, because you are dealing with the more complex business challenges rather than the simple ones of, can I get sales for the last 12 months, or can I see marketing conversion rates for the last 2 weeks? Okay, so self-serve analytics, if you can become a partner and a trusted advisor, you'll find that your role is very secure. But hopefully one of the artifacts, or one of the consequences, or positives, I guess, of the business self-serving analytics is that you get to do more complex things.